In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Elementor. If you're looking to enhance your website by having perfectly sized images, this guide is for you. Elementor is a popular page builder for WordPress, and knowing how to manipulate images within it can help you create visually appealing websites with less effort. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to ensure that you've logged into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page where you want to crop your image. Once you're there, click the Edit with Elementor button, which will open up your page in the Elementor editor. This editor is where all the magic happens, with a user-friendly interface allowing you to drag and drop elements onto your page. Look for the image widget or element on your page that you intend to crop. Click on it to open the image settings on the left panel. Once the image settings are displayed, it's time to upload or select the image that you want to crop. Click on the image thumbnail in the Elementor panel. This action will open the WordPress media library. Here you can either select an existing image or upload a new one. Remember to choose an image that's appropriately sized for your needs. Larger images give you more flexibility with cropping but also take up more space and might slow down your site. After your image is selected, let's proceed to the cropping part. In the Elementor Image Settings panel, find the Style tab and click on it. This section provides various styling options that allow you to modify how your image looks. Scroll down to the Advanced section, and you'll notice a tool called Custom CSS at the bottom. Here's an important tip: you'll need to have Elementor Pro to use Custom CSS, as this is a premium feature that unlocks additional design capabilities. Now, to crop the image using CSS, you'll type in specific commands. A straightforward CSS crop can be done by setting the image width and height and using the overflow property. For example, you might enter overflow, hidden width, 300px height, 200px in the custom CSS box. Adjust these numbers to your desired dimensions. As soon as you do this, your image will be cropped to fit within these constraints, while anything outside them will be hidden. Finally, don't forget to preview your changes. Simply click the Preview Changes button to see how your newly cropped image looks in context. If you're satisfied with how everything appears, make sure to hit Save or Update to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Voila, your image is now perfectly cropped on your Elementor page. So there you have it, a straightforward way to crop images using Elementor. With this method, you're ensuring a professional appearance with properly sized images that fit seamlessly into your website's design. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Elementor.